Google just open-sourced a 31 billion parameter model that ranks number 3 globally. It runs on a single GPU, and for the first time ever, they shipped it under Apache 2.0. No strings, no gotchas. Let's talk about Gemma 4. Google's open-source AI story has been a 2-year redemption arc. February 2024, Gemma 1 drops. Small, text-only, restrictive license. June 2024, Gemma 2. Better architecture, still locked down. March 2025, Gemma 3 goes multimodal. But then the hallucination controversy hits, and Google restricts AI Studio access entirely. So what exactly did they ship? 4 models. The tiny E2B for edge devices. The balanced E4B for mobile. A 26 billion MoE that activates only 3.8 billion parameters. And the flagship, a 31 billion dense model scoring 85% on MMLU Pro. The 26 billion MoE is an engineering flex. 128 expert subnetworks per layer. But each token only routes through 8 of them. That means you get 26 billion parameters of knowledge compressed into 3.8 billion parameters of compute. The intelligence per parameter ratio is, frankly, insane. The 31 billion dense model hit 89.2% on AMI 2026. Codeforce's ELO, 2150. GPQA Diamond, 84.3. This model is ranking number 3 globally among all open-weights models on Arena AI. What actually changed? One word. Apache 2.0. Previous Gemma models used Google's custom license, restrictive, confusing, and a dealbreaker for enterprise. Apache 2.0 is the gold standard. Use it, modify it, sell it, ship it. No phone call to Google required. The 31 billion model? Fits on a single 80 gig H100. Quantized? Your gaming GPU can run it. Pull it from Llama, load it in LM Studio, or deploy via VLLM. 3 commands and you're running frontier-adjacent intelligence locally. The open-source AI war has 3 fronts. Google's Gemma 4, 31 billion dense, compact, efficient. Meta's Llama 4 Scout, 109 billion total, 17 billion active, 10 million token context. Speed? Llama destroys at 800 tokens per second. Accuracy? Gemma punches way above its weight class. The third player? China. DeepSeek, Qwen, Moonshot AI. They've been quietly shipping open models that match or beat Western labs in specific benchmarks. Gemma 4 doesn't just compete with Llama, it's Google's chess move in a geopolitical AI race. Some developers aren't buying it. One Hacker News commenter put it bluntly. Quote, "The stack required to run local AI models remains fragile. Even with a new model, the underlying infra breaks constantly." End quote. And they have a point. Within hours of launch, GGUF quantizations live on Hugging Face. Llama.cpp integrations merge. Uncensored variants already on Reddit. Over 100,000 community model variants in the Gemmaverse. The devs showed up fast. Is this genuine open source or strategic ecosystem lock-in? On one hand, Apache 2.0, consumer GPU support, 100,000 community variants. On the other, Google restricted AI Studio access in 2025 when Gemma 3 caused PR problems. And these edge models? They power Gemini Nano on Android, locking devs into Google's mobile stack. Gemma 4 introduces 2 architectural innovations that smaller models have never had before. Hybrid attention, mixing local sliding window with global attention to handle 256K context without quadratic memory blowup. And per layer embeddings. Each layer gets its own learned adjustments, making small models punch above their weight. Here's the real takeaway. Google fumbled open source AI for 2 years. Restrictive licenses, hallucination scandals, access restrictions. Gemma 4 is their mea culpa, and it might actually work. Apache 2.0, frontier benchmarks, runs locally. The open source AI war just got a real third contender. Gemma 4, Apache 2.0, number 3 globally, runs on your GPU. If you learned something, hit subscribe and drop a like. The next video is going to be even spicier.